Hey there, food lovers! Subscribe to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel before you watch this culinary groundbreaking video. Get ready for a culinary revolution. The future is here, and it's serving up some seriously delicious dishes. I'm talking about AI-powered robot chefs. These aren't your grandma's clunky kitchen appliances. We're talking sleek, cutting-edge machines. Imagine robotic arms moving with precision. Picture lasers scanning ingredients for perfect measurements. These robots are changing the way we cook and eat. From high-end restaurants to our very own kitchens, robot chefs are popping up everywhere. They promise to make cooking faster, easier, and more precise than ever before. Are you ready to meet your new sous chef? Let's dive in. So why are these robot chefs suddenly so popular? It's a question that has intrigued many, especially as we see them popping up in more and more places. Well, for starters, they're incredibly convenient. These robotic culinary wizards can whip up meals with minimal human intervention, making them perfect for busy families and individuals. Imagine coming home from a long day and having a delicious home-cooked meal ready in minutes. No more waiting around or stressing about what to cook. No prepping, no mess, just pure culinary enjoyment. You can spend more time with your loved ones and less time worrying about the kitchen. Restaurants are also jumping on the robot chef bandwagon. These machines are revolutionizing the food industry by taking over repetitive and time-consuming tasks. In bustling kitchens, these mechanical marvels can handle repetitive tasks. They chop vegetables, flip burgers, and even plate dishes with speed and accuracy. This frees up human chefs to focus on creativity and presentation. They can experiment with new recipes and techniques knowing that the basics are covered, but it's not just about convenience. These robots bring a level of precision that is hard to match. Robot chefs are also incredibly precise. They can measure ingredients down to the milligram, ensuring that every dish is made to perfection. They can measure ingredients down to the milligram, ensuring that every dish is made to perfection. This level of accuracy is particularly beneficial in professional kitchens where consistency is key. They can measure ingredients down to the milligram and cook food at the exact temperature and time required. This means no more overcooked or undercooked meals, and cook food at the exact temperature and time required. This means perfectly cooked steaks, fluffy rice, and consistent results every single time. This means perfectly cooked steaks, fluffy rice, and consistent results every single time. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, these robots are changing the way we think about food preparation. And consistent results every single time. The future of cooking is here, and it's more exciting than ever. The impact of robot chefs on the culinary world is undeniable. They're streamlining kitchen operations, reducing food waste, and making gourmet cooking accessible to everyone. But it's not just about efficiency. Robot chefs are also pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity. With their ability to analyze millions of recipes and identify flavor combinations, they're helping chefs develop innovative dishes that tantalize taste buds. Imagine a world where you can download any recipe, from grandma's secret cookie recipe to a Michelin star chef's signature dish, and have your robot chef recreate it flawlessly. That's the future that robot chefs are cooking up. Now, before you think I'm suggesting that robots will replace human chefs altogether, let me be clear, they won't. Why? Because cooking is more than just following recipes. It's about heart, passion, and that special human touch. Think about the greatest chefs in the world. They don't just cook, they create experiences. They pour their heart and soul into every dish, using their intuition and creativity to transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Robots can replicate techniques, but they can't replicate the passion, the intuition, the love that goes into every bite of a meal cooked with heart. Section 5, Chef versus Robot, a Culinary Comparison. So let's compare these culinary contenders. Robot chefs excel at precision, consistency, and speed. They're masters of efficiency, churning out dish after dish with unwavering accuracy. Plus, they never get tired or call in sick. Human chefs, on the other hand, are all about creativity, intuition, and adaptability. They can improvise on the fly, adjust recipes based on the freshest ingredients, and create dishes that tell a story. It's a classic case of head versus heart, technology versus tradition, but what if we could combine the strengths of both? Section 6. A winning combination, how robots can enhance human skills. Imagine a world where human and robotic chefs work side by side, each playing to their strengths. Robots can handle the repetitive tasks, freeing up human chefs to experiment with new flavors and techniques. Robots can also provide valuable data and insights, helping chefs refine their recipes and understand their customers' preferences better. It's not about replacing human chefs but empowering them with technology. This collaboration can lead to a new era of culinary innovation, where the precision of robots meets the creativity of humans to create dining experiences that are truly extraordinary. Section 7. The Ultimate Culinary Showdown: Human versus Robot. Okay, enough talk, let's get down to business. Picture this: a stadium packed with food enthusiasts, the aroma of spices filling the air, and a panel of celebrity chef judges at the ready. The excitement is palpable and the crowd is buzzing with anticipation. Everyone is eager to see who will come out on top in this epic battle of culinary prowess. It's time for the ultimate culinary showdown: robot chef versus human chef. The stage is set and the competitors are ready. The atmosphere is electric as the chefs take their positions, each one determined to prove their superiority. The challenge? Create a 3-course menu that showcases both technical skill and creative flair. Each dish must be a masterpiece, a perfect blend of taste, texture, and presentation. The judges will be looking for innovation, precision, and of course, deliciousness. The catch? Both teams have access to the same pantry of fresh, seasonal ingredients. The tension is palpable. Every ingredient must be chosen with care, as the slightest mistake could mean the difference between victory and defeat. The robots whir and beep, their robotic arms moving with precision as they measure, chop, and sauté. Each movement is calculated, efficient, and flawless. The technology behind these robotic chefs is truly astounding, showcasing the future of culinary arts. The human chefs, armed with their trusty knives and years of experience, chop, stir, and season, their passion evident in every move. Their hands move with a practiced grace, each action a testament to their dedication and love for the craft. The contrast between man and machine is striking, yet both are equally mesmerizing to watch. As the dishes come together, the judges watch intently, ready to taste and critique each creation. The final moments are a flurry of activity, with both teams racing against the clock to perfect their plates. Who will win this ultimate culinary showdown? The answer lies in the taste, and the judges are about to find out. Section 8. Precision versus Passion. Analyzing the strengths and weaknesses. As the competition heats up, we see the strengths and weaknesses of both sides come into play. The atmosphere is electric, with the audience eagerly watching every move. The chefs are under immense pressure, knowing that every decision could make or break their chances of winning. The robot chef team wows the judges with their perfectly plated dishes, each ingredient measured and cooked to perfection. Their precision is unmatched, and their ability to replicate the same high-quality dish every time is truly impressive. The judges can't help but marvel at the consistency and attention to detail. Their sauces are emulsified to the ideal consistency, with each component blending seamlessly to create a harmonious flavor profile. The robot chefs have mastered the art of balance, ensuring that no single element overpowers the others. And their desserts are architectural marvels. Each dessert is a work of art, meticulously crafted to not only taste delicious, but also to be visually stunning. The judges are in awe of the robot chef's ability to combine form and function so effortlessly. The human chef team, on the other hand, takes a more rustic approach. Their cooking style is less about precision and more about intuition and experience. They rely on their senses and instincts to guide them, creating dishes that are full of character and soul. Their dishes are bursting with flavor, showcasing the chef's ability to coax the best out of each ingredient. They present handmade pasta, perfectly seared scallops, and a variety of other dishes that highlight their creativity and skill. The human chef's passion for their craft is evident in every bite, and a decadent chocolate cake that melts in your mouth. The judges are torn. They appreciate the precision and consistency of the robot chefs, but they are also drawn to the passion and creativity of the human chefs. It's a tough decision, and the judges deliberate carefully, weighing the strengths and weaknesses of each team. The robots offer precision and consistency, delivering dishes that are technically flawless. Their ability to execute complex techniques with ease is a testament to their advanced programming and engineering. While the humans bring passion and creativity to the table, their dishes are a reflection of their personalities and experiences, each one telling a unique story. The human chef's ability to adapt and innovate on the fly is a key strength that sets them apart. Who will reign supreme in this culinary clash of the titans? The judge's decision will ultimately come down to what they value more: the precision and consistency of the robot chefs, or the passion and creativity of the human chefs. It's a battle of heart versus machine, and the outcome is anyone's guess. Section 9, and the winner is evaluating the competition results. After much deliberation, the judges announced their decision. It's a draw. Both teams brought their A-game, showcasing the incredible potential of both human and robotic chefs. The robot chefs proved that technology can elevate culinary arts to new heights, while the human chefs reminded us that cooking is an art form, driven by passion and creativity. The real winner? Food lovers everywhere. This competition was a testament to the exciting future of food, where technology and tradition collide to create a culinary landscape that is both innovative and delicious.